Very warm welcome to Let's Calculate Fast. This is Manisha Gupta. In this series of Vedic Math Multiplication, our today's topic is base method of multiplication and its Sanskrit sutra is Nikhilam Navataskaram. The base method of multiplication is divided into three types: when our numbers are below the base, when the numbers we want to multiply are above the base, and when the numbers we want to multiply are both below and above the base. Right? And today in this video we will be discussing our very first method when we want to multiply the numbers that are below the base. So before starting with this method, let me first tell you about what the base is. A base is any number of the power of n. A base is any number of the power of n. That is, say 10, 100, 1000 and so on. These numbers are called base numbers. Right? Suppose we want to multiply 9 by 8, 92 by 98 and say 991 by 999. Let me first tell you what the base in these three questions. Here these two numbers are near to base 10. So base is 10 over here. These two numbers are near to base 100. So the base is 100 over here. These two numbers are near to base 1000. So the base is 1000 over here. Right? Now see, both 9 and 8 are less than 10. Less than 10, or we can say below 10. So these two numbers are below the base. Now 92 and 98, both the numbers are less than 10, or we can say, less than 100, or we can say below 100. So these two numbers are below the base 100. Now these two numbers are less than base 1000, or we can say they are below the base 1000. Right? So I hope the concept of base is clear to you, that what the base actually is. Now let's discuss what is base method of multiplication. This is very simple to use. Let us take very first question where we want to multiply 9 by 8. Now whenever you are using the base method of multiplication, you will divide your question in two parts like this: the right hand side part and the left hand side part. In the left hand side part, you will simply write the two numbers you want to multiply. Like we want to multiply 9 and 8, we put these two numbers over here and we write over here the base. And on the right hand side part, we will write the difference of our numbers from the base. Like the number 9, what is the difference of number 9 from base 10? It is minus 1. Similarly, the difference of number 8 from base 10 is minus 2. Number 9 is 1 less than the base and number 8 is 2 less than the base. Right? Now, for the right hand side answer, what we will do? We will simply cross multiply our differences. 2, what we will do? Minus 1 multiply by minus 2. 2 ones are 2. And when we multiply two minus signs, it will give us a positive sign. Right? So 2 ones are 2. And for left hand side part, we will cross subtract the two numbers to find the answer. Either you can find 9 minus 2, it will give you 7, or you can also do 8 minus 1, it will also give you 7. You can do any one of the two subtractions, which in whatever subtraction you need to do lesser calculation, choose that one. Right? 9 minus 2 is 7. So here comes your answer. Your final answer is ready. 9 multiplied by 8 is 72. Right? I have taken this such small question to make you understand the concept of base method. Now let me take the another bigger question which I have taken. We want to multiply 92 multiply by 98. Now by looking at the question, you come to the conclusion, yes, these two numbers are near to base, and what is the base of these two numbers? It is 100, right? Now to start with the question, you will divide your question in two parts. The right hand side part and the left hand side part. In left hand side part, you will simply write the numbers you want to multiply. You have written here, right? And on the right hand side part, as I told you before, we will write the differences. The differences of our numbers from the base. Now 92 is how much less than base 100? It is 8 less than base 100. And number 98 is 2 less than base 100. Right? Now you know what we have to do. We will simply multiply these two differences to find the right hand side answer. 8 2s are 16. Minus minus will become a positive sign, right? And to find the left hand side, what we will do, we will find the cross difference, any one of two. Either you can do 92 minus 2 or you can also do 98 minus 8. Both will give you same answer, right? Now 92 minus 2 will give you 90. So the final answer for 92 multiplied by 98 comes out to be 9016. Right? See how easy it is. Such a big question and you have done it in just 3 to 4 seconds of time. Now you have to take care in these questions, in base questions, whenever you apply base method, that your right hand side answer will contain the number of digit as per the number of zeros in the base. जितनी आपकी बेस में zeros हैं उतना ही right hand side में digits होंगी. यहाँ पर as in here the base 10 has only 1 0. So your answer to number 2 1 0 1 digit. Okay. Now see the next question. Base 100 has 2 zeros. Right hand side has 2 digits. 16. Okay. Now let me take one question where there is an exception that your right hand side answer is not going to have the number of digit same as the number of zeros of the base. So this is an exception in base method. You will always take care of it. Let me first do this and then I will explain it to you. Now the base over here is 1000. Both these numbers are near to base 1000. Find the difference. Part, we have parted our question in two parts, the right hand side part and the left hand side part. On the left hand side part, we have written the numbers that we want to multiply. On the right hand side part, start writing the differences. Number 991 is 9 less than the base 1000 and number 999 is 1 less than base 1000. Right? Now you know what you have to do for right hand side answer. You will simply multiply your differences. 9 ones are 9. Right? And for your left hand side answer, what you will do? You will cross subtract. 991 minus 1. It will come 990. Or you can also do 999 minus 9. It will also give you the same answer, 990. So always choose among the two in which you have to do the lesser calculation, right? I hope this is clear to you. There should not be any doubt about this. Now let us talk about the exception. Your right hand side part will always contain the number of digits as per the number of zeros in your base. Here 1000, base 1000 has 3 zeros. How many zeros? 3 zeros. So right hand side answer should always contain 3 digits. Right hand side answer should always contain 3 digits. But as you can see here, we have only 1 digit 9. So what we will do? We will prefix it with 2 zeros to make it a 3 digit answer. Right? As if this is clear. So the final answer for 991 and 999 comes out to be 990009. See how big answer and how quickly you have find out the answer of this question. So this is all about base method below the base, right? And in next video I will continue with with other two method of base method, right? So do share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.